You might have seen a recent video of mine where I unboxed the compact vacuum, gutter vac from Gutter Vacuum Systems, and I set up a mock gutter. Well, that wasn't a real gutter, so in today's video I'm going out. I've got 3 gutter jobs to do today, and I'm hopefully going to film all those, and I'm going to be using the compact, so we'll see how we get on with it and see how it performs in real life situations. So although I've got a set of carbon fibre poles that I bought when I bought my gutter vac, I'm going to be using the aluminium poles that my brother's bought to go with his. So when you first set these up, what you need to do is sort them out first to make sure there's one that comes with 2 straight ends. That's your base pole. Then what you do is you fix the silicone end on the ends with the slot on. That way it makes sure that it's going the right way, so when the vacuum's in action it doesn't clog up this, because it goes past the joint rather than sucking up into it, sort of thing. So we'll get cracking with that. I was also going to use the phone holder and the GoPro mount that Gutter Vacuums sell, but unfortunately my phone has got one of the buttons on the back you use to hold with, so that won't fit in the phone holder. So fortunately I've got with me my camera from Gutter Vacuum Systems, so I'll be using that instead of the phone holder, but both work equally as well. So there's no problem with the power of the compact. It's even picked up this aluminium trim from out of the gutter, and it was pulling up quite decent size lumps of stuff out the gutter. So power wise, no problem at all. So now the gutters are all empty, I'm going to give the fascias, soffits and gutters a wash down with a constant flow. So that's that job done. I was absolutely blown away by the power of that little vac. It really did surprise me. Had no trouble getting all those bits growing out the gutter out. No problem at all. I even fetched out that piece of trim. So I stopped filming because it started to rain, but stopped a bit now. So I'm off to the next job. So let's go. as so often is the way. Just as I started that, it started raining, so I didn't film much of it, and now I've finished it. The sun's come out again, so I'm just going to clean the gutter vac down now. So I've got a bucket of water up, make sure all the hoses and the poles are all nice and clean, ready to put away, and then I can give it back to me brother then. So that's the end of my day with the compact. As you can see, I brought the Predator with me. The last job I did, the chap said there's a load of plants growing in it. So I brought the Predator just in case, because I didn't know how well the compact would do. And it's been absolutely amazing, outstanding. I've been really chuffed. It got the plants out the last one, no problem. Couldn't film that one because it was on the main road with no front garden. So I was on the front path next to the road and it was just a bit dodgy. But took it out no problem at all. Absolutely outstanding. I haven't needed the Predator all day. I did use the GoPro mount and the phone mount, which was brilliant. I took my phone out of the case so I could use it, which worked. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. It must have been stupid. So I used that. That was brilliant. The only thing I'd say about using the GoPro is there is a bit of latency in it. So you move your pole, the GoPro doesn't pick it up straight away. There was a bit of a lag in that. When if you use the Guttervac Systems camera, there's no lag in it. As soon as you move the pole, it comes up. I also used the aluminium tubes that my brother bought with his vac. Brilliant. 2-story houses, no problem at all. I thought they might feel a bit heavy after using the carbon fibre, but they didn't. Absolutely outstanding again. Nice and firm with those, nice and stiff poles. Sometimes with the carbon fibre poles you find them a bit bendy. Not bad, but just a little bit. You didn't get that at all with the aluminium, so that was absolutely brilliant. I did even think about getting myself a compact. The reason being is I've got a 3 kVA generator, which isn't enough to drive the Predator. So I thought about selling my 3 kVA generator and buying a 5.5, so I've got something to run the Predator. Might as well keep my little Jenny. A lot lighter to be lifting in and out the van, a lot smaller. Keep that in the van. Get myself a little Guttervac compact for the jobs where there's no power. Laughing. It's really small, really handy, so light, absolutely amazing vac. I am so pleased. My brother's going to love having it. It's absolutely amazing. So if you are interested in either the Guttervac compact or the Predator, give Gutter Vacuum Systems a ring. They'll talk you through everything you need to know. They're really helpful like that, absolutely brilliant. They can't be more helpful. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Have a look at the other videos I've got on the channel. I've got a playlist just on Guttervac, so take a look at that if it's something that you're interested in. If you're not already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.